In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete remove admin user from Kit. We'll walk through the exact steps you need to remove an admin or team member from your Kit account, and I'll explain what to look out for along the way. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to confirm the removal so there's no confusion. First, start on your main Kit dashboard, the screen you usually see after you log in. Look towards the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile icon there. This might be your initials, a small avatar, or a generic user icon depending on how your account is set up. Click on that profile icon. A small menu will open. From that drop-down, select the option labeled Settings. This is where Kit keeps all of your account and workspace configuration options, including your team management tools. Once you click Settings, you'll be taken to a new page or panel. On the Settings page, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a sidebar with different sections you can manage. Find and click on the section labeled Team. This team area is where you can see everyone who has access to your workspace, including admins, regular team members, and sometimes invited users who haven't accepted yet. After you click Team, you'll see a list of users associated with your Kit account. Take a moment to carefully locate the specific user you want to remove. It's a good idea to double-check their name and role so you don't accidentally remove the wrong person, especially if you have several people with similar names. Once you've found the correct user, look to the right side of their row. Depending on your version of Kit, you'll either see a Remove button directly, or you'll see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options menu, next to their name. If you see the Remove button, click it. If you see the 3 dots, click those, and then choose the Remove option from the menu that appears. As soon as you do this, Kit will open a confirmation pop-up window. This step is important because once you confirm, that user's access to your account or workspace will be revoked. Read the confirmation message carefully to make sure you're removing the right person, then click to confirm the removal. After you confirm, the user will disappear from your team list and they'll no longer have admin or team access in Kit.